name's Elizabeth. Welcome back to, I'm going to call this, this is episode, 1. I'm going to make a season of this. And this is going to be episode 1. And I built my own house already, and I found a village in the flat land. And I already started this, okay. And I'm going to call it Catcraft. And I already got like loads of cats, so I'm like 2 up here, and there's gonna be a few down there, like all of these. I basically have the same cat, only one poured out. And now I'm just gonna get rid of all of this, except for my diamond sword. So I'll just get rid of that. Okay. Now I have this mod, and I got a backpack mod, and kind of mod, I don't know what it's called, but I know, where is it? Wardrobe. Not that one, not table side. Wardrobe. Okay, here it is. If you don't have this mod, you'll see it's really big, and you can see right here it's really big, it goes to my ceiling. Okay. And I can put stuff in it. Okay, see? Okay, I'm gonna go and get some iron. I'm gonna put that in. Okay. My little bag and my backpacks. In the backpack mod, if you don't know. Okay, here. Boom, 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 boom. Like, whoa, oops. I want all of this. I'm gonna get rid of my dinosaur for now. Boom, boom, boom. And then gold. I love gold. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I'm gonna put that in here. Boom, boom, boom. That should go here. Okay, she's go here. Boom, boom, boom. I'm sorry if you see my mouse in the middle of the screen when I'm doing this. I'm really sorry. Just put that to the side. Okay, okay. I don't want nether, that's horrible. I think I'll just have gold in there for now. And I'll take a diamond sword, a bow. And I'm gonna go into the backpack mod. What backpack should I have? Leave in the comments. I'm gonna leave in the comments if I should get a collection. I already think I should get a collection, so don't do that. Please leave a like. So I'm gonna start with I know I'm creative, and that's cheating, but I don't know how to go into survival once I'm creative, sorry. Okay, so I'm green, so, and I like all kinds of backpacks. I'll wear, is emerald one. Want to see me what it looks when I'm wearing it? Actually, I'll do that in the morning. For right now, I'm gonna I know where to put it in the morning. I'm gonna do that in the morning, but right now I'm going to sleep. Okay. Morning. I'm gonna put my backpack on. Okay, here it is. Opened, and my backpack's on. And it looks so cool. For some reason, the color of my head is not working. It's supposed to be it's supposed to be all green and actually all pink. I painted in a place where you can paint your skin. But for some reason it glitched out and my whole body is green stuff, and then only my hoodie is like pink. Okay, and like today I'm gonna be trying to get the right kind of horse and breeding. So far, make it a farm right after I get a horse. Actually, I should build the farm first. Okay, so what color should I do it in? Like red and black. I will do. Okay, so let's start building. I'm sorry if this takes a long time and takes up all the video. Please skip this part if you don't like watching people build. And in the next video, I will be doing put the animals in. Okay, this should be big enough. I should make it a bit big. Okay, so from here, I'm gonna put that in. And okay, I'm gonna break that path. If it's taking up the room. I think no one broke. It's actually okay. No one can actually see it. Okay, put this here. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Okay. I think I should make it stripy. That will make it look so cool. So now black. It's gonna be like 3 blocks high because I don't want to make it take forever. And I think it's gonna have a flat roof. I don't want that to take forever as well. That's what I do. Or it might not have a roof. Which one? Leave in the comments if I'll do that to next video 2. Leave in the comments if you think I should build a roof on this or not. Because if you do, I might just make it flat roof. So please leave in the comments what you think I should do. And then I'm gonna make a love garden soon. Like if you watch Stampy he has a love garden, and I might do that in the next episode. Leave in the comments if you think I should make a love garden. And then every video I'll add someone there. Okay? Actually, this video should be good and long enough. I think this video is long enough to start building a heart. So right after we finish building this, and it's gonna not take that long. Okay, 3 blocks high. Actually, 1 more. It's not fair for the blacks. So 2 blacks and 2 reds. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Ooh. Okay, I think we're almost done. Okay. Ooh. Okay, do this. Okay, almost there. Boom. This looks cool. So remember to leave in the comments if I should put a roof on. Okay, we're gonna start building the love garden at the back of my house. If you think I should change my house, leave in the comments. So leave in the comments a lot of stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna put the fence around it. Okay, where's that? Okay, it's in here. Boom. Flying. Flying. And if I get lots of people likes, I'll add more people. More likes, more people. Each time I get about like 10 likes, I'll add someone to the love garden. Every time I get 10 likes, I'll add someone to the love garden. Like that. Okay, almost done. Okay, I will never sing that again. Put that in. Okay, and I'm gonna put the heart somewhere. Let's see, where's the most room? I'm probably gonna put it like so. Okay, like here. Please don't judge me about my heart building skills. I'm not that good. Okay, so if I like put it here. Okay, so that way and that way. That looks like the bottom of a heart. Okay. Here's getting better. And I know what to put around it. It's gonna look pretty. Okay, one more block right here. Actually, no. Actually, yes. One more block out. There. Here. And here. Okay, and then if I boom. Actually, I don't think I should have a heart in my love garden. I think it's gonna be like this. So I'm gonna need some. Actually, I don't need this. I'm gonna put it underground. It's gonna look awesome. I might do this in the next off screen. So after I destroy this, it's gonna be end of the video, and I'll fix those holes off screen as well. Everything looks wrong, I'll fix it off screen. And do most of the stuff that's going to take a long time off screen, okay? Boom, 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 boom. And please leave me a like. It's only my first time making videos, so please leave a like. 10 likes, I'll add someone in the love garden. And can you post for me your username as well? On YouTube. Leave your username in the comments. Okay, and bye! Bye, 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 bye.